Video guys, I'm going to show you how to fake skip in Omegle. So you need two things. First is the OBS and the second one is the fake skip Omegle video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first thing is first you need to tap over here and make sure you have order as well, video capture device, and just tap OK. So now main thing is that why it is not working, because you need to uh, select that devices that you have the built-in. So for this I have FaceTime HD camera as my main camera, so I will choose, because if you choose OBS virtual camera it won't work, and you can even get a problem or error in your camera. So I will show you with the proof. So you can see FaceTime HD, just add it. So you can see my webcam is added, and this web camera is also be using by the Omega. Just tap on OK. Now you need to just resize it just like this. Okay, now just tap on, you need to tap on start virtual camera. Okay, you have now done it. Now just for example, just roll it so that you can go to the website. So now you have gone to the camera and make sure you have selected the obvious virtual camera, not this one. Select here obvious virtual camera, and in obvious you can select the main your camera. So for this I'm using obvious camera, so that you won't get any error. So let me show you what I was saying. So once you have done, you need to just get this fake skip Omegle, and make sure you just tap on media, just tap on OK, browse this video, fake skip, and just tap on open, and make sure to tick this loop, and you are good to go. Now you need to just, so you can see I have set up. Now I'm going to just have a little bit fun with these strangers. So everything okay. Now go back and let me show you what I was saying.